How to fix your start button not working on a Windows computer. If your start menu isn't opening or not working properly when you click it, I'm going to show you several methods to fix the issue. First, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete on your keyboard and open Task Manager. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open it directly. Once Task Manager is open, use the search or scroll down and locate Windows Explorer. Right-click on it and select Restart. After that, check if your start button is working again. If the issue is still not fixed, click on Run New Task at the top. Type explorer.x and press Enter. Then check again. If it's still not working, open Task Manager again using Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. Click Run New Task and type CMD. Make sure to check Create this task with administrative privileges, then click OK. In the command prompt window, type SFC/scano and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete 100%. This will check and repair any corrupted system files. Once it's done, check if the start button is working. If the problem continues, right-click the Windows icon on the taskbar and open Settings. Go to Windows Update and make sure your system is fully up to date. Click Check for updates and install anything available. If none of these methods work, you can try a final solution. Go to Settings / System / Recovery. Then click Reset this PC. Choose Keep My Files, then select Cloud Download to reinstall Windows. Keep in mind, this will reinstall your system and remove installed apps, but your personal files will stay. If you're okay with that, follow the steps and complete the reset. One of these methods should fix your start button issue.